everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping in with my make for the One Sketch Challenge, which is hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. I'll leave a link to Lisa's channel in my description box below, and also all of the other people who are taking part. So this was the sketch for November, and this is the start of my card. So I've started with a white 5x7 card, and for the background I've put a piece of brown card and a 1/2 inch strip of paper, which is the piece that runs through the card. And then I've cut out 3 circles, and I've done those in the colours of the background papers. So first of all, I stamped onto the lovely peach coloured card, "Hello, welcome Norm, nice to see you," and I've taken it from the Summer Norms stamp collection. So I'm going to pop a little bit of glue onto the back, and I pop this to the top of my card, just about there. Then I've taken the brown piece of card and I've just popped that overlapping the peach colour, stuck that down, and then my last piece of card, I have stamped the little toadstool house fussy cut around it, and I'm going to pop that to my card, and that will go there like that. Next, I've done 3 of the little gnomes and the little dog flower, and I've just drawn myself a leaf. And what I would like to do is just stick them onto the circles. I've got the cute little dog next. He will go just there, and then my last gnome will just sit just there like that. And then I've got this tiny little leaf, and I'm just going to pop that about there, and the flower over the top like that. So yeah, there you go. There is my finished card. I think the toadstool house with the little gnomes dotted around the card just working perfectly with the sentiment, "Hello, welcome Gnome," hence the little toadstool house, "nice to see you." So there you go, there's my card for this month's One Sketch Challenge. Don't forget to head over to the other people who are taking part. And that's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Take good care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye bye for now.